Ready to make your Python code smarter and shorter? Welcome to Advanced Functions. First, higher order functions. Functions that take other functions or return functions. They can also return functions. Example, use map, func, iterable, to transform sequences. Lambda expressions or mine, true. And the trinity, Steiny anonymous functions example. Lambda x, x2 used with map. Closures, inner functions that remember outer variables. Think, def outer x, def inner y, return x plus y, return inner. Decorators, functions that wrap other functions. Example, timer to measure runtime. Use them to add behavior without changing code. List comprehensions, concise list syntax. Example, x2 for x in nums if x0. Cleaner and faster than loops. Generator functions. Use yield to produce items lazily, great for large data streams. Recursion. Functions that call themselves use for tree traversal, or for divide and conquer, but watch recursion depth. Apply. Combine these techniques. Use generators to handle streams. Use comprehensions for concise loops. Use decorators to add behavior cleanly. Write readable, efficient code. That's Lectures 05. Practice each pattern with small examples. You'll master them.